What's up guys, welcome back to another video of Android Techie guys, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the difference between cracked software. So guys, most of the people know that there are so many paid softwares in this world, but everybody accesses it for free. How that's working? That's through cracked software. So today, the disadvantages and the advantages of using cracked software, guys. Yeah, it's really bad, guys, using a cracked software. Even in my computer, guys, like the Windows just some files just got corrupted on my hard drive. Like this is my new Windows installation, that's why it is looking a bit new. Like I installed it from my pen drive, guys. Yeah, it's really bad, guys. It's really bad. Like, yeah, I don't recommend you using a cracked software because, yeah, you know how that works. So the first thing is, how does this cracked software work? So be open. So first of all, one guy sells a free software. I mean paid software. Like one, you could say developers or any sorts of hackers just take off their software and modifies that. Yeah, can you see? Yeah, they modifies that. Or else think that you downloaded a paid software, you use keygen. Yeah, most of softwares have one keygen which will make it activated. Like if there is any sort of, like, for example, we could say GTA 5. That's a big game, but if we try to install it on our operating system, or we could say our computer, what happens is ask us for a key. But yeah, as you guys could see, this keygen, like there, it's a software. Maybe everybody knows that. Maybe somebody does not know about it. It's just a good software, guys. Like it allows you to activate, but I don't recommend you doing that because it will be very harmful to your computer. And where we can talk about the next one, patching. Like old days in my Android, there was an application called Lucky Patcher. Will patch off, like one website where they will give free GTA 5 for Android. Like I have installed on my phone when I was small. I have installed it on my phone, and when I want it, it will show us a human verification, but that never passes. Like I have installed the whole app which they said for the human verification, and I tried it. I did everything. I didn't got that. But there was an application called Lucky Patcher, yeah, which patches up the software. Like even some cracked GTA 5 is also patched up. Like patching means it will, like a stage, like we could say GTA 5 from first, if we buy that, it will ask us for a key. But they will use a patch file software. They will put that exe into that, and it will be completely patched, guys. Means like it will go to another stage. So that's what patch file is. And through these common ways, you will get that software for free. Yeah, that's good. Why should why should I pay? They're just giving it for free. Why should I pay for this software? So most of the times while doing like this, it's really bad, guys. Don't do it because this could be harmful to your computer. In my case, I reinstalled Windows, as I said you today. I reinstalled Windows, I installed Uplay. It took a lot of time because of a cracked software, I think so. Yeah, cracked software harms your computer's hard drive also. Yeah, it completely, like, think that your hard drive may get corrupted. Like maybe because I installed a cracked software which made Windows files to delete, and when I turn on my computer it will show me the Windows logo and preparing automatic repair. Yeah, it's stuck at that part, and it will move to diagnosing your PC, and it will go automatic repair can't fix your computer. Yeah, it's really bad, guys. Don't install cracked software. This might delete some files from your hard drive. Like if you have your personal files, that like this software come while a hacker or code, like they will put a malicious code into that software. Of course, they are going to give it for free. So as you know, they will take advantage of that, and they will put some malicious codes and they will give it to you. Like it's really annoying, guys. So you can't use that for free. Maybe it will delete some files from your that Windows System 32, like which is the hilarious folder, guys. If you delete something from there, there you go. If you restart your computer, yeah, your computer does not, like it won't boot yet. You may need to reinstall Windows 10. Yeah, it might be easy, it might not be easy, but reinstalling your Windows every time, like more than like 5 or 3 times, will make some hardware changes, because yeah, there will be some hardware changes to your computer because it will get slowed down, or there will be a small changes because we are reinstalling the operating system more than 5 times. So it will be a bad luck if you keep installing that cracked software. It will stop failing your system. Yeah. So then next thing is that if you install any source of malicious software, then think like your thing that you are using Windows and the wallpaper just changed out. Like think that you download a software from a company called Flickr. Like from that page, that source of page. Yeah, after you install that, after you run that, after a few seconds when you reboot your system, there you go, your Windows wallpaper or your browser wallpaper. Like think that in your Windows wallpaper it will change to Flickr, like that software developer's name or something like that. Sorts of things will come on your wallpapers, and if you open your browser, it will be like this, like completely bad stuff. It will be like fully that developer's name, or like any source of company's name will be over there. And yeah, if you try to change that also, that does not work. Yeah, so you guys should keep that in mind every time, guys. So let's move to the next one. And sorry, before moving to the next one, I recommend you using Malwarebytes for fixing this issue. It's a free software, but it's not free, but you guys could have a free trial software. As you guys could see, I'm showing the picture of it. You guys could get the premium ones. So while using this, everything should be fixed out, guys. So the next one is, if you try to install a cracked software, what will happen? Yeah. So think that one, like your friend gave you a setup file. He'll say you, hey, I'm giving you a setup file, okay? And I'll send you to WhatsApp, okay? Just hit that next, accept, then it will install. Guys, in the middle, some source of software setups, like if you try to install a software, it will give you a setup. So in that, they will recommend you installing our, like that company's more softwares in the middle. Like if you type think that you're installing Rikua. Not only that, every software has its problem. Try installing Rikua. While you install, in the middle, that Google Chrome gets installed. Yeah, that's not a problem. But this like there are some sorts of applications which will take off your RAM, CPU, everything. And guess what? Your computer gets slowed down. And you guys will think that some sorts of virus or my hardware got some problem, but that's not the problem. The real problem is that most of the time it gets installed automatically. And you could fix it through going to the control panel. Maybe I could show you over here. Going to the control panel, and going to uninstall a program, and you guys could see every list of programs which are installed. You haven't installed some programs, but it came automatically and sitting over here. Make sure that you delete it from here, guys. Yeah, that's a quick fix for it. And next one, virus, which is the most common thing everybody don't checks out. Like, think that you want to install GT5. GT5 is the best game. It's really awesome, and we can't pay for it, so let's download these cracked ones. But have you ever thought of upcoming computer virus? This really comes and sit in your computer, but you don't know about it. Even there are so many viruses like Bitcoin mining and stuff like that. Yeah, be aware of a virus. Maybe I recommend you using McAfee's LifeSafe web protection, security protection, everything. Maybe even I recommend you Avast. Okay, let's move to the next. Yeah. Who's this? Yeah. So if you're downloading a cracked software, this could be coming from a malicious code, from a hacker or a programmer. That guy just downloads that software and he makes some coding changes like with the Python or stuff like that, and he uses that softwares and he changed some coding changes, and yeah, he got the software for free. But have you ever thought of happening this? Your computer will be hacked. Wow, my computer just got hacked. So hacking does not show, like, if someone hacks, that hacker will try not to show you any source of proof. Like, think that maybe he don't do anything, he just keeps watching what you are doing. And it has been happening to me also. Like, in my computer, like, I think so, before reinstalling this Windows, I know reinstalling Windows is a bad thing. Yeah, it's really a bad thing. Guys, it's really a bad thing. I know that reinstalling Windows is a bad thing, and yeah, before reinstalling this Windows, I was like, my computer is not in my control, it's in somebody other's control. Yeah, it was like that. And I was thinking, is this somebody has my computer? Yeah. So if you see, like, while you turn off your monitor, what I did is I chose my external monitor. I meant that I connected the computer to my phone. I turned off the monitor and I stayed over there. My computer's mouse started moving, but my mouse was not moving, but the computer pointer was moving. And I'm sure that it was hacked. Like, I think so, it's not, or I don't know what was happening with my computer. Okay, that's a disadvantage. And guys, end of the slide. That means, guys, every time be sure to not install a cracked software. Yeah, if you still want to install a cracked software, I'm not saying you don't install a cracked software. You guys could install, but be safe, guys. I see you some tips also over here. Make sure that you follow that also. Yeah, it will be pretty good, guys. So I think so, let's wind up this video. Before that, be sure to hit that subscribe button, guys, and press the bell icon, guys. let's see on the next day, next time.